what's all the buzz about up front. Ah, that's what all the buzz about up front. We made it to the Kit Kat factory. So, this is probably the place that JV is most excited to see because he's been wanting to try all of the chocolate and all the different Kit Kat flavors. So JV, if you would do the honors.
Hold on, JV. I'm gonna do my vlog.
In we go. Look at that strength. Whoa. Wow. There are way more Kit Kats than I expected, and I haven't even really gotten past the portion.
You can take a picture, guys. Take a picture.
Take a picture of what? Oh,
like
photo booth props. That's cute. Let's take a little photo booth break. I think I will have the glasses.
Okay, I'm gonna do the mustache.
Yeah.
Get in here, guys. Let's take a picture. Me and the boy.
Nice. Holy crap. Look at how many flavors.
Wow. So many. This is so babe, are you in paradise?
Jeez.
Melting chocolate.
Kit Kat sake. Oh. I'm definitely going to have to try that. Okay. Off we go.
Okay.
Alright.
I'm excited.
We'll be back.
Yeah. Holy crap, this place is so nice. Take a look at this. Wow.
No, I'm not busy at all. Babe, do you want to try some?
What do we have in here? Oh, that looks amazing. Oh. All right. We're gonna get chocolate. Looks like we're gonna take a seat and get some taste.
Woo.
Yes, we're gonna get some chocolate. These look so good. Do we have any more menus?
Take that one. That's it. Okay.
We'll share.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Alright, so this right here is our Kit Kat chocolate menu. Let's check it out. Right? We've got some good looking kind of brunch type options a little bit.
Okay.
Nice little blend of teas and coffees and such to drink on the menu.
Yeah, it's just open 11 a.m.
I Heart Fruits Parfait, the Sublime Matcha Parfait. I think I'm gonna go with the Patika too.
These have Kit Kats.
Yeah, I was about to say they have Kit Kat on there.
Where?
You guys see the menu real quick.
What is this?
That's the same.
No, this is different. Seasonal fruit dessert. What are you?
Little on the pricey side for the Sublime Parfaits and stuff like that, which is kind of like, I feel like, the main menu attraction, but that's what you get when you come to the Kit Kat Parfait. You gotta pay for the whole experience and everything. And plus, they've got this awesome like kitchen and everything back here as well. Whole side of the restaurant with the chocolate bar at the front. No pun intended. So yeah, I think it's still a pretty cool experience.
I don't want to get there.
Alright, so the first round of our snacks came out.
Here, guys, this is for your
This is like a
already used mine.
Tiramisu cake over here for Mike. He's got a little cappuccino and a stir stick. Oh man. JV has a huge dish. Oh my
Okay,
goodness.
let's move these things and then put that in there.
Here's my little strawberry cake right here. Nice and cute. Okay. Alright, stick this guy in the middle. JV, tell us what you ordered, man.
It's a fruit parfait. Basically,
It's a fruit parfait with it looks like some ice cream, some Kit Kats.
Yeah, wait till it turns
everything.
around because it's cute on this. It's cute on this side.
I didn't even know.
Give me the stones. Kit Kat.
It's got granola in there. It's got pineapple.
There's like 5 chunks.
Wow.
Of
Yeah.
Banana.
Now that I would pay $20 for.
I know he's a banana.
Wow.
There's pineapple.
JV picture.
Yeah.
Picture with Kuya.
Oh, yeah,
Smart. Ooh, and Esser's came too.
so cute.
Very nice. Now Esser, what is yours?
It's the seasonal fruit dessert.
Very nice, very nice.
Here,
Awesome.
get the Kit Kat. Are we done?
No, we're waiting for Katie's. Katie's will probably be coming
They're
soon.
like melting, so
Well, mine's a cake, so it's not gonna melt.
yeah, go ahead and eat.
This is
Gonna go ahead and stick this guy back into its little skeleton frame.
sorry, pretty Kit Kat.
All right,
We're
let's
done.
see how it is. Taste test.
Ooh, yes. If this doesn't meet expectations, I will be very surprised.
Happy?
Yeah, look at that smile. Look at that smile.
He is happy.
White chocolate?
Uh-oh.
What is that?
Oh dang. Oh no. Hold on. Pause.
The reaction.
Oh, man.
What is that?
Go, okay, go.
What is that? It's like an orange, like.
It's you got the island one, right?
Mm-hmm. It's like rum or something. Rum.
Creme. Creme.
Okay. You guys can share.
The verdict? The verdict, was it worth it?
I want to swim in it.
Well, while we wait on Katie's hot chocolate, we're gonna go ahead and get Mike and Esser trying theirs. So we'll start with Esser and we'll work down to Mike. Esser, you have the seasonal fruit.
I do.
Favorite
Seasonal
or whatever it is?
Yeah, seasonal fruit dessert.
Okay. So
We're
let's
gonna
get
see.
it
So it looks like it's
Let me see this. Let's close up right here. Go for it. Go for it.
All right.
Nice. All right.
Gonna get some of that.
Looks very soft. Yeah, there's some jam, some strawberry jam or jelly in there. All right.
It's like thick jelly.
I know. Might just have to get that whole thing there,
All
but.
right.
All right. Boom. There we go. All right. And bon appetit. Silence. Silence. We have a winner.
He was like,
I know.
What is it?
Well, the verdict?
It's like a very soft bread in there. It's like super moist because of the top layer and the bottom layer, and there's like real fruit in it too. So the jam's like authentic strawberry.
Very good.
I like your description.
Alrighty,
Yeah.
yes. Very good, Esser.
it's
We appreciate
delicious.
that. We
Yeah.
appreciate that. All right, Mike, you're up.
okay. Looks like it's a tiramisu type cake.
Okay.
The bottom.
I think they forgot mine.
Look at that layers.
Wow. That is
4 layers.
Very, very clean. Very clean and well made. All right, let's get this taste test. Boom. How are we feeling?
It's not coffee. It's not tiramisu.
No? What is it?
A bit of citrus taste to it.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't taste chocolate.
It doesn't look like it'd be citrus.
Yeah, it doesn't look like.
Yeah,
Oh, it's citrus?
But is it good?
it's not tiramisu. It's good. It's not coffee.
What's the bottom? Is that like
I
where
think that's the
citrus
citrus.
is?
Yeah.
All right.
I think that's mango.
Let's go ahead and try this.
Mango?
Delicious.
there's mango in this.
Mango hidden in the bottom. Let's try this delicious strawberry. I'm not sure what is in here. It looks like maybe some cream, a little like Boston cream maybe on the bottom, some whipped cream in there on the top, some nice flaky bread or something, and then obviously the strawberries. But let's get to it.
Good ice cream.
Alright. Hearing JP in the background. I'm gonna remove this foil right here. And we'll remove our napkin underneath as well.
Glad you're enjoying.
There we go. Alright. Going to be nice and prim and proper. Get my knife and cut a chunk. I totally just murdered
I've
that.
been like little by little in the market.
Okay.
And we've been walking it off.
And
I told you today's
I think that's a good bit of everything in there. Let's give it a go.
Do you need breakfast?
I just like ate like, yeah.
French toast.
No, I had it.
That is really, really good.
One egg.
It's so light.
This is very light,
It's go ahead.
And fluffy.
It's so light. It's refreshing
sweet,
'cause there's so
but
much
not overbearing.
flavor in it.
Yeah.
You guys try this.
The cake is like, if you've ever had like a cream puff,
You guys want ice
you know, like an ice cream puff or whatever, it's like the same type texture, you know, bread or cake or whatever that you wrap around those. Very, very good.
It's a Neapolitan.
And the powdered sugar on top,
It's pineapple.
that's like the icing on the cake right there. That is an awesome, awesome dessert. I love that.
You guys may try.
And all of it blends perfectly with the strawberry. The strawberry is kind of like that highlighting note of sweetness, surprisingly. The creams are so light and the cake is so light around it that the strawberry is really what fills in that like kind of like final note of flavor and like the sweetness that you feel in the dessert. So very good. I like it a lot.
Yeah, it's like a.
I'm impressed. And then say exactly what you said. Okay.
This is doable. It's like the Kit Kat is less sweet than that.
Really? That's interesting.
Yeah, it's still sweet. Like it's this is a very rich dish, but
You can work with it.
yeah.
Kuya, you good?
All right, try the matcha one real quick before my battery runs out.
Try the matcha one.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's cake on the bottom.
I feel like I've had matcha Kit Kat before, but
Try it in the little cappuccino thing and just on its own. If you can get it out, man. There we go.
very big Kit Kat sublime.
Sublime.
Comes in a cute little bag. Ooh, it's pretty. Look at that.
Show up close. Show up close, man.
I definitely see the matcha
That's
in there.
cool.
Yeah.
It is very pretty.
It's like a matcha
Looks
cookie.
very appetizing. All right, go ahead, give it a go. All right.
I don't like it with that.
Okay. What about on its own?
I like it a lot on its own.
There we go. All right.
Is it better than the normal matcha?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's sublime.
It's very like
Sublime.
legit. Like this is
Look at this packaging too.
ultimate matcha.
Try and say Kit Kat Cafe 5 times fast. Kit Kat Cafe, Kit Kat Cafe, Kit Kat Cafe, Kit Kat Cafe, Kit Kat Cafe. Not bad, Kit Kat Cafe. I'm pretty impressed. The desserts were like sweet and delectable. And it seems like everybody enjoyed their meal. So, like I said, I'm going to go downstairs and I'm going to grab the Kit Kat sake because I'm sure that will be just as good. And after that, I think we're going to head out and we're going to call this vlog finished. So, thanks for watching.
Diggy. Pretend like.